Imagine a farmer's daughter in a small village. She dreams of becoming a doctor, but her family cannot afford even a school fees. Now imagine, because of government scholarship scheme, the same girl not only finishes education but also serves as the only doctor in the entire village. This is the power of scholarship. They don't just change one's life, they transform the entire communities. My name is Tasmin Khan, a student of SMT PN Doshi Women's College. Today I am here to speak on the government scholarship scheme and their implementation. Why scholarship matters? Education is a foundation of equality. Without financial aid, lakhs of talented students would be forced to drop out. Scholarships are not just the financial help, they are the equalizer, ensuring that the poor, minorities, differently abled, and the meritorious students get a fair chance. The key scholarship scheme, the post-matric scholarship for the minority, ensure the economically weaker section from the minority communities are not left behind. Did you know? More than 5 lakhs of benefits every year under this scheme. The scholarship for students with disabilities is a true example of inclusive education. It provides not only the tuition fees support but also it covers the hostel fees, maintenance costs, and the dreams every counts. The central sector scheme for the scholarship for college and university students rewards 82,000 scholarships annually and motivates students to push beyond its limits for the excellence. The National Scholarship Portal NSP is a game changer by bringing the application online by transferring the money directly to the student's bank account. No corruption, no middleman. However, challenges remains. Lack of awareness in rural areas, difficulty in filling the online form student without the internet access, delay in verification in schools and colleges, but solution exists. Campaign in school awareness, drives in villages, and technical support centers can ensure that no student is left out. Scholarships are the investment in human capital. Every rupee spent on a student comes back as a knowledge, innovation, and a progress of the nation. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which can change the entire world. Scholarships are the weapon to those who might otherwise be unarmed in the battle of life. So my friends, government scholarship schemes are not just the policies on paper. They are the dreams of action, hopes in motion, and ladders of opportunity. If implementation with the efficiency, awareness, they can ensure that no child in India has to stop studying because of the poverty. And when every student studies, India will not left behind and rise. Thank you.